everybody, it's Delaney with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and today I'm going to take you through the 2026 Starcraft Autumn Ridge 177 BH. This unit is very small. It comes in at just a little over 21 feet long, and the average UVW being around 3,150 pounds. This is a great starter camper for small families. We've got the 2 bunks as well as the queen size bed and the dinette that transforms into a bed if you need it as well. This little thing has all the basics that you may need. It's got a fridge, it's got a microwave, it's got a stovetop. So without further ado, let's get into it. Starting off on the outside here, we have a single axle, aluminum sided travel trailer. This unit comes with a 10-foot electric awning. We've got the nice tinted windows. We have rear camera prep as well as a Lipper on the go ladder receiver in case you want to get yourself a ladder. The roof is fully walkable. 2 rear stabilizer jacks. Those are manual. Around the front, this is where you'll find your propane and your battery hookup, and of course your exterior storage here, and that goes right under the bed. The outside of this unit is very simple and basic, but once again that makes it perfect for beginning campers. Let's head inside and check it out. Coming inside, you're immediately met with a queen size bed. You've got some really nice deep overhead storage here. It's open storage, which is nice. Some people like it, some people may not. I personally like it. It makes the unit feel more spacious. Over here, you've got a little mirror just to make sure you look good before you leave the camper. And then you've got your little hanging closet here for coats, anything that needs to be hung. Right next to the bed, you've got your TV bracket location there with your plug-in, so in case you want a TV, that's where you would put it. Underneath the bed, you can access your storage here. You can get to it from the outside. Right over here, you've got your booth style dinette that transforms into a bed. We've also got some nice overhead storage here as well. Shades are nice pleated blackout shades there. Over here you've got your kitchen. We've got decent sized counter space for a kitchen this small. We've got some really nice overhead storage here. Got your 2 burner stovetop here, and under the sink storage, you've also got some drawer space, which is always nice. Up here, you've got your microwave. No oven in this unit, but that's okay because a lot of times if you're camping with your family, you're cooking outside on the fire. That's just part of the experience. Here's your 8 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge. Got a nice little freezer here as well. And of course the lock for when you're traveling. There's your temperature control. And over here is the bunkhouse. This unit can sleep about 6 people total. So up here you've got the light, USB charging. Max weight capacity, it looks like, is 300 pounds. Down here, this one's nice. You've got a little window there and some more USB charging. And down below, you've got more storage space. Coming into the bathroom, you've got a pretty basic bathroom here. You've got your tub, skylight, your shower, and you've got your plastic toilet with the foot flush. No sink in here, but that's okay because you've got a sink out here. In here, you've also got your 13.5 AC right there. Not central, but this unit is small enough that you don't really need central AC in something like this. And up here are your controls. You've got your electric awning outside, your lights for inside and outside, and your water pump, water heater controls there. Throughout this unit, we also have the residential linoleum floors, which are nice and durable. The interior height is about 81 inches, which I'm a pretty tall girl. I'm about 5'8", 5'9", and a lot of times smaller campers like this can feel pretty cramped. but personally for me, I feel like the height in this unit is very comfortable. So that was the 2026 Autumn Ridge or AR-One 177BH. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, of course. I will link all of our social media down below, as well as our website for more information on this unit if you're interested. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.